Hey gems, this is Cinderella OG and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys the 5 salon secrets that you need for a flawless glueless install. So if you guys want to see these tips, tricks, and hacks, go ahead and keep on watching. Today I'm providing tips for you guys using this beautiful hair from Allove hair. All the information on this wig will be in the description box down below, so you guys make sure to go ahead and check them out. That is Allove hair. All love, y'all. All love. So the first tip is really my favorite. It's easy, it's a no-brainer, and it's pretty common in the wig world. Make sure that your braids are neat and tight, and get them as small as you can. You don't have to have 16 braids in your hair for your wigs to lay down. You just have to make sure that they're nice, neat, tight, and as small as you can get them. If that means that you have to have an ample amount of space in between your braids, then make sure that you do that. But you want these stitched braids and stitched cornrows to be as tight as possible. Tip number 2. Match the lace to the color of your skin. This will help so much whenever you are telling people what lace, because I'm telling y'all, some people be saying what lace and your wigs be looking like you have a waffle maker on your head. We see the laces. We can see the lace. But nonetheless, this is not a problem if you can match the color of your lace to your skin color. And I know what TJ does is he has specific makeup or anything that he uses to the variety of colors that his clients come in with. So bleaching the knots is one thing, but matching and tinting that lace to your skin color will also help with your installs a lot. Now this tip should be a no-brainer for all my glueless frontal install ladies out there. If you wear glueless wigs, then this should be a no-brainer. The tighter the band, the better your hair will lay. And this is not a secret, y'all. I mean, it is for some people that might not know. The band definitely helps, but the tighter that band is, the better that your hair will lay. And yeah, you might have, a little headband print whenever you take your wigs off, but it's glueless. You're not supposed to keep it on and sleep on with it, when you're wearing it at night. Unless, you're at somebody's house, somebody's house that you shouldn't be at, For all my Instagram folks out there, a Pokemon trainer, you know what I'm saying? But if you have a tight band, your hair will lay much more. And another tip, y'all. Make sure to cut the lace while it's on your wig. I have a habit of not doing this personally whenever I'm applying my wigs at home, and this is something that I'm learning to start doing. But you want to cut the lace along your hairline so that you can have an accurate representation of what you're cutting along. And don't be afraid to pluck any extra hairs that you might need to while that wig is already on. This is honestly my personal favorite. Since I've learned it, I have not gone back to Got2b, to gel, Eco Styler, which who uses Eco Styler on wigs anyways? But free spray, none of that. I haven't used any of that. Use an eyebrow spoolie. I think that's it, a spool brush, something like that. Use an eyebrow spoolie and use the foam wrap to go ahead and put your edges down if you want to lay some baby hairs. This will allow your edges to not get gummy, to not have buildup, to not get makeup on them, because I know I apply my wigs with makeup on a lot of the time. And also, it allows you to have those baby hairs still intact whenever you take off the wig. So those are all the tips that I have for you guys, and I hope those help for you. Make sure to go ahead and like this video if you liked it. Comment down below what you liked about it, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below also if you want some more salon tips, tricks, and secrets, and I can go ahead and squeeze some more out of TJ. Y'all also make sure to follow TJ on his social media, and he also made a YouTube channel, so you guys go ahead and subscribe to his channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed and beautiful gems. Love you so much.